Knowing and understanding your face shape can help when choosing a hairstyle, grooming your eyebrows, or even applying makeup. Here's how to find yours. You'll need to first measure the dimensions of your face to determine your face shape. Grab a measuring tape and pen and paper. Find your face length by measuring the top of your hairline to the lowest part of your chin. Keep the measuring tape flat, don't curve it. Your forehead width is a distance across the center of your forehead from side hairline to side hairline. To find your cheekbone width, feel for the highest point of your cheekbone and measure from one cheekbone across your face to the other. Remember to keep that measuring tape flat. Measure your jawline width by holding the measuring tape just below your ear and bring it down to the center of your chin. Here, it's okay to bend the tape instead of keeping it flat. Now multiply that number by 2. These are some of the most common face shapes. The telltale signs of a round face shape are a rounded hairline and jawline, but they also have the same face width and length measurements. If the widths of your forehead and cheekbone are longer and your chin is narrow and comes to a point, you have a triangular face shape. You have a square face shape if your forehead, cheekbones, and jawline are all the same width. An oval face is a combination of square and round. Usually the forehead width is smaller than the cheekbone width, and the face is longer than it is wide. Diamond face shapes are a more angular version of an oval face. Cheekbones are high and strong, and the distance between them is slightly wider than the forehead length. It's okay to fit into more than one face shape category. Many people do. There are no hard and fast rules in terms of applying makeup or wearing accessories, but you may find that certain things flatter your face more than others. Now that you know your face shape, you can use it as a guide for things like applying makeup or choosing a haircut.